Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I had the opportunity to put some Benlari highway pegs on the Harley. And this is actually a really nice set. So they gave me the opportunity to pick what I wanted off of their website, bring it in and put it on the bike, and then I can show you guys how to do it and how good they look. There's a couple of different reasons why I chose this set. One is that the tread looks exactly like the stock Harley footboards. So it makes it look like they belong there. These though are very nice, they're high quality. I'm gonna show you how these go on in a second, but let me show you how much they look like the originals here. So I gotta show you this. So yeah, if you'll notice, these are, I mean, minusculely wider, and obviously I actually would like them to be a little bit wider. But they look exactly like the stock ones. So they're gonna go right up here. Now I chose the longer ones. This is the longer set because the short set, which I don't want you to get that backwards. The short set is for a taller rider because this will put these pegs further away from you. So the shorter they are, they sit like this. So the shorter they are, the more forward they are. And the longer they are, the more they put them back to you. And the reason I chose those was the divide on that is 5'10" and above and 5'10" and below. I'm right at 5'10", but I do like my feet a little closer to me to, you know, I like to save my knees. So I chose to be a little closer to me where I could bend my knees a little better and get some relief off of my knees. So let's start getting these on. Oh, first let me show you everything that comes in the kit because this is a really simple kit. All right, so you're gonna have both of your pegs, right and left, which I think they're actually gonna go. Hang on, let me get my life straight here for a second. Yeah, okay. So forward pegs, these are your bar clamps that go on your highway bars that are already on there. These are 1.25 inches. And then you've got a bolt for each side to bolt it to the clamp. And you've got a fender that goes between here like that. Kind of help gap, take up some of that extra space there. So let's get to putting this thing together and let's see how it comes out. And first thing I gotta do is clean my highway bars because they look atrocious. Yeah, my highway bars have a lot of highway grime on them and stuff, so I'm gonna clean those up before I clamp the bars on them, obviously. So let's get moving. Okay, so the instructions recommend you do not use the Allen wrenches for final tightening on these bolts, but your bolts for your clamp that actually hold it onto your post there are 8mm, and then your bolt that controls where you can change the swivel of your peg, the angle of your peg, is a 5mm. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to size those up and get them close using the Allens because they are easier to when you're making a lot of adjustments. And then once I get them where I want them, I'm going to use the ratchet to get them all the way tight. So let's start putting this thing together. Whoop. That would be Wild Wild West. He must be on the way. That's my help for today. All right. So first thing we're going to have to do is just get them on, and then we'll figure out where we actually want to place them. So they're going to go on this way. I won't worry about the angle yet. We'll just get them clamped in. Okay, I do know I want to kind of get them level with my rider pegs. Let's work with that. Let's try there. Okay, and let's tilt that back a little bit. So right now I'm getting them lined up this way with the control pegs, and I'm getting them lined up this way. So basically where they'll just be level. Right. So I've got them snug, not tight. I'm gonna go ahead and see how comfortable that is. I'm doubting it'll actually be this easy. First time. Oh, wow. Okay. Or it could be. It slid around a little bit when I moved it, but well. Okay, I guess it was that easy. I'm getting to the socket where I have a little more leverage. I can tighten it a little better. Tappity tap tap. Bring around a little more. So let's make sure I still got my foot where I want it. I can still cover the brake. You're still good there. All right. Well, I guess that's one. So here's where I could have told you that you can loosen this off. It's ratcheted inside, and this can go to a multitude of angles, but I guess I got it right for me the first try. I mean, I guess I'll change it, I'm sure. As I want to change it, as I want to move it around a little bit, it'll get more comfortable for me. But that's gonna be good for me. We'll go ahead and crank her down. All right, and we'll do the other side. All right, so playing on next verse, same as the first. Oh.
Smells like gasoline in here.
It's because I ran the bike this morning. And I believe that one is upside down. I'm having one of those days. I'm having some what have I done moments. What the heck? Through the magic of editing, this will look fine later. Sure. I think because that one's facing up and this one's facing down, they look different.
You can tell it's a Harley because you got grease on your fingers. Fresh oil.
Yeah, there was stuff. Yeah, okay. Well, I guess that's... So you should bring it in just a little bit more. Okay. And we'll just make sure that they're level. They are not. I'll bring that one down just a little bit. It's harder to, with that one facing up and this one facing down, it's harder to see the level. There we go. And immediately change it. Okay. Having a day. Hold it up like that if you can. 2 hands are better than one. That's what they say. Hold it up like that if you can. Two hands are better than one. That's what they say. Okay. Close enough. And crank the crap out of it. Okay. Let's make sure this one's tight. All right. See how level it is. Hang on to it. Oh. That's pretty close. All right, so there's the install. Hope that was clear as mud. It wasn't too hard, but you do definitely have to have 2 people and be prepared to make some adjustments. All right, I'm gonna end that. That was actually not too bad. So let's take a quick look at it and make sure everything's straight, and get right back to you. I did want to point out though how easy it is to flip these up. So yeah, that's a thing. Yeah, and from the front, these look pretty cool. You get these folded up, they're out of the way. They're no wider now than the rest of anything else on the bike. So that's a plus. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and can't ride now because all of a sudden it got down to 17 degrees. But I'm gonna take this out, and I'm sure I'll probably adjust the pegs more as I ride it and get it to where I want it to be. Obviously, it can't be perfect right now. That just wouldn't happen. All right, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and I will see you guys out on the road somewhere. So, and while you're here, go down to my shop and get a t-shirt and some mugs and whatever. Help me out. It's been a long winter. I need to get more videos out. All right, guys, I'll see you later.